She's like a animal magnet.
Claudia, did you make some new friends?
And now we will go to a
Jungle Club.
jungle club, and we see you at the jungle club. And hello from our wonderful new beach place here in Koh Samui. Yesterday we changed from David's place to this hotel place thing, resort thing. Yeah, it's something completely different because of course hotel, a lot of tourists and stuff, but it's really beautiful. We will show you maybe the room later, but for now we took some pictures here on the beach and enjoy the sunset. So the sunrise was at 6 behind the rock and should be up at 7, so as you mathematically can think, we were up since
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, of course, in our vacation. But now we're enjoying here the beach completely for ourselves. Like you could see nobody here, not even a jogger or something like that. And yeah, wonderful, beautiful beach. And later, wonderful breakfast. First breakfast in 1 week.
Yeah.
So, see you guys later, and yeah, see you guys later.
Claudia, did you make some new friends? Look at the cutie pie. Aww, sweetie. Always
It's
the
so
same.
cute.
Yeah, every time we go somewhere you find a new friend. Yesterday evening it was a cat,
Yeah.
and now with that little cutie here, we gave him the name Buddy.
She's like a animal magnet. I don't know what she's doing, but everywhere we're going, every animal just goes to Claudia and wants to get pet. So, no pet for me, just for the dog. Those cuties. Well, this was a little lazy day for us. We were just hanging around down on the beach, waking up early, then going down to the beach, just doing nothing because we're just enjoying our last days here in Koh Samui. So 3 more days from today.
No, not nothing.
No. Yeah, this morning we were
We worked on our tent.
Yeah, we worked on our tent. That's good. And we will lose it immediately when we come home because there's snow. But for now, we're working on our tent. And now we will go to the, what is it called?
Jungle Club.
Jungle Club, where you have a pretty nice view. Our scooter will arrive. We ordered an hour ago, and yeah, hope everything went well. And we see you at the Jungle Club. Well guys, that was a quick and rough ride up here, here in the Jungle Club. I think even for you it was a little bit tougher because she was sitting on the back grabbing me like a monkey. And yeah, but now we're curious how it looks because we just saw it on pictures, and yeah, let's have a look. about going to Koh Samui to the Jungle Club, 1 or 2 days earlier, give them a call and make a reservation on the table, because we just read it yesterday on the website. You should, and we read it on TripAdvisor, and we saw a lot of people coming and going today because they had no table for them. You get those little guys where you can sit. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you go up here, that you make a reservation. And now we will enjoy our beer and some drinks for the lady. What I want to say, the price is high, but you pay for the location and you pay for the food, so I think that's quite okay.
Yes. Look the doggy.
Oh, look the doggy. I just got his butt. That is dark. Well guys, that was an amazing meal. Amazing again. Yeah, nothing more to say. Spectacular view.
Yeah.
I can highly recommend. The food was amazing.
Yeah.
Mega good. And now we will hit on our bike, our new Clicky. It's the same scooter, just with 30,000 miles, not with just 4,000. And in white, a girl version. Before we had the matte green, so more my style. Yeah, we will head down. Can you even see us? I don't think so. I don't know. We will head down to the hotel and then maybe have some beer, and then we will go to bed and see you guys tomorrow. So have a nice evening or a nice day, wherever you are, wherever time you have. So see you. Bye bye.